Most sales reps do not lose deals because they are bad closers. They lose deals because their follow-up is late, vague, or sounds exactly like every other salesperson in the inbox. The prospect says, "Send me the info." You send it. Then 3 days later you write, "Just checking in." That follow-up does not add value. It does not create urgency. And it does not remind the buyer why they cared in the first place. In this video, I'll show you a simple AI follow-up system that helps you stay personal, relevant, and persistent without sounding desperate. Most reps follow up based on memory, mood, or panic. The best reps follow up based on context. Step 1 is the conversation recap. After every discovery call, demo, or serious sales conversation, take your notes and paste them into ChatGPT. Ask it to summarize the problem, desired outcome, objection, next step, and any personal or company-specific detail you can use later. Here's the prompt. Summarize these sales notes into the buyer's problem, desired outcome, objection, next step, and one useful follow-up detail. Great follow-up does not feel like follow-up. It feels like continuation. Bad follow-up says, "Just checking in." Better follow-up says, "You mentioned your team is losing time manually updating the CRM, and you wanted to fix that before the end of the quarter." Step 2 is building a follow-up ladder. Most reps send the same message over and over. Instead, every follow-up should have a different job. Follow-up 1 proves you listened. Follow-up 2 adds value. Follow-up 3 reduces hesitation. Follow-up 4 prompts a decision. Follow-up 5 gives them permission to say no. Use this prompt. Based on this sales call summary, create a 5-step follow-up sequence. Each message should be short, specific, human, and move the deal toward a clear next step. Step 3 is humanizing the AI output. AI gives you structure, but you are responsible for judgment. Before you send anything, ask, "Does this sound like me? Does it reference something real? And does it move the deal forward?" Step 4 is building a follow-up library. Every time you write a strong follow-up, save it. Create folders for after demo, no-show, pricing objection, competitor mention, proposal sent, and ghosted. Average reps use AI to write one message. Strong reps use AI to build a system. So the system is simple. Capture the context, build the follow-up ladder, humanize the message, and save the best versions into a reusable library. If you want the exact prompts for follow-up, cold email, prospect research, objections, and more, grab my free guide. 25 AI prompts every sales rep should steal. You can grab it below. If you're a sales rep, this is one of the fastest ways to start using AI as leverage without sounding like a robot.